Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever struggled with creating presentation that looks professional and engaging, even though you spend hours designing slides only to end up with something that still looks average? Well, I'm here to solve that problem. In this video, we are going to talk about how to leverage AI to design professional presentations. Let's get into the video. Go to Google, type in GAMMA, click on enter and select the first website that you see. It will ask you to sign up. Once you sign up using your Google account, this is how the interface looks. I have already created one presentation using this application. So this is how the presentation looks. You can see all the content that has been written here. I haven't written a single word in this. Everything is done by AI itself. So these are some of the templates available on this website. If you like any particular template, you can use it. Let's open this one. So at the right side you can see, like, you can even change the theme of this particular template if you like it. So you can scroll down. So these are the remaining slides of this particular template. If you want, you can use this template. So let's create our presentation. So before creating our presentation, let's go to ChatGPT. Here we are going to create the outline for our presentation. Let's enter our prompt. Create a 10 slide presentation for the topic road safety, which is a very hot topic nowadays. Let's enter. So ChatGPT has given us some information, like it has created 10 slides as per our prompt. So copy these 10 slides. Let's go to our website. Select the option create new using AI. So we have three options, like paste in text, generate, import a file. We already have an outline, so we are going to select the first option. Let's paste our outline. It will ask you to select three options, like presentation, website, document. We are continuing with the presentation one. Here you can see some of the settings. We are looking for a 10 slide presentation, so 10 cards. Let's take 10 cards. 10 cards, nothing but 10 slides. Continue. In this window you can select your theme. There are multiple themes available here. Let's select this one. That's it. So this is how our theme looks. Let's generate our presentation. That's it. It will automatically generate slides, content and bullet points, and also the sub content that comes below the bullet points. You don't have to write a single word. Everything will be taken care by AI itself. See, I'm doing nothing. Whatever the outline we have given, based on that it is creating all this information. And if you remember, we have given only bullet points. We didn't give the sub content that is below the bullet point. The AI is filling up all this information. Yeah, we requested for 10 slide presentation. So these are our 10 slides. You can even edit this entire slide. Go to any slide, you can even enter any type of content, like it could be headline, title, or sub content. Anything you want, you can enter, like edit. You can even bulletize these points. And one tool that comes very handy is this one, edit with AI. Click on that, a window will appear. So select any particular slide, and whatever the changes that you want to make, enter in this box, and it will make the changes according to your prompt. So for this particular slide, we are going to make those points into bullet points. AI is working. Success stories in road safety. You can see all the points has been bulletized. Before it was like this, now it is like this. Not only bulletizing, you can edit it in some other ways, like you can even ask it to format in table format, or you can use different formats like structure, changing structure. Here you can see the image is not right, so we asked the AI to change the image. Now we can see the image clearly. Before it was like this, save file. Now it is like this. So this is our presentation. So if you want to export this presentation, click on these three dots, click on export. You can export it to PDF or PowerPoint. You can directly click on PowerPoint. Once the file is downloaded, you can directly go to your presentation and edit it as you want. And the best thing about this presentation is you can edit anything, even the watermark that comes with the presentation. You can even delete that watermark. Yeah, that is the best thing for this. So there you have it, folks. This is how you can make wonderful presentations using AI. If you find the video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.